Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Alina. I'm in our workshop. Now I'll show you one gutter reforming machine. Here is our 1.5 tons decoller, and you can check box tab. The shaft is very strong. The gutter machine feeding platform, and you can check under the feeding platform. Here we equipped it with one film lamination device to avoid the gutter surface scratches. And you can check here is the foaming rollers. The machine stands. The machine base frame and with anchor bolts. You can check our machine details. Our machine precising every detail is very beautiful. Now let us see the foaming unit. NTC encoder, Omrin brand encoder. You can check the brand Omrin. Here is the hydraulic cutting unit. You can check our cutting unit. There had one middle plates here, the yellow plates, which fix the 4 pillar gaps and which will make the cutting more stable. Here is our machine details. You can check. And then the electric control cabinet, the Delta brand, using the vertical tap electric control cabinet. There had a table, and you can put your papers or your tools or something you want. You can put here, which is very easy for your operator to do some operation about the machine. And about the profiles, you can check. Here gutter is feeding width, coil width is 250 millimeter, and the height is 66 millimeter. If you are interested in this kind of metal gutter machines, welcome to make business order to Alina.